Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily join a meeting on Skype. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be in a meeting or in a Skype, you want to click here on a meet now on the left, and then you're going to see join meeting. Now here you just add the meeting code, and that's how we do it. And you just join. Or what it can happen is that the host of the meeting is going to share with you the link that you need to add on a page, and then you can join too, right? So join Skype like on Chrome, and then you need to sign in, and voila, here I am. So this is the second way how you can do it. And yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.